Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel Clash Royale account deletion. If you've initiated an account deletion, don't panic. You have a crucial 21-day grace period to reverse the process. The very first step is to log back into your Clash Royale account as soon as possible. Once inside the game, navigate directly to the settings menu. There, you should find a clear option to cancel the pending account deletion. Act quickly to secure your progress and beloved cards. To cancel your account deletion, open Clash Royale and tap the three lines in the top right corner to access the main menu. From there, select Settings. Within the settings, look for the Help and Support section. This area is your gateway to managing account-related issues. You'll then need to find the specific option that allows you to reverse or cancel an account deletion request. Make sure you are logged in with the correct Supercell ID associated with the account you wish to save. After locating the cancellation option, you'll be guided through a few simple on-screen prompts. It's vital to follow these instructions carefully to ensure the process is completed successfully. Once you've confirmed your decision, keep an eye out for a confirmation message within the game or an email from Supercell. This message will verify that your account deletion has been successfully canceled. Finally, try playing a match or checking your inventory to confirm full access and functionality of your account. Remember, the 21-day window for canceling an account deletion is strict, so timely action is absolutely essential. If you encounter any difficulties or cannot find the cancellation option, do not hesitate to contact Supercell support directly through the Help and Support section. They are there to assist you. Always ensure your Supercell ID login details are kept safe and secure to prevent any unauthorized access or future deletion requests. Your account security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.